reverse. Oh, great. Now I'm soaking wet.
You look pretty dry to me.
That's because I'm literally always on fire. What's that noise?
Well, it's not my tummy for once. Uh-oh. I think there's a big storm coming. Quick, inside! Now what do we do?
We could do something fun to pass the time.
You're right. If only the elements weren't against us. That's it! Let's make DIY elemental slime!
Yay! Oops. Sorry.
Oh, wait. Time for some fizzy magic. Fizzy, whizzy, the Fizzy Box.
Whoa! That's so cool! Don't you mean hot?
Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Hands. Oh, hey Ember and Wade. How can I help? Oh, hey Miss Hands. Would you be able to help us make some squishies? Of course I can, Ember.
All right. Can we make a fiery one first?
That's me. All right, so first things first, we've got to add 1 scoop of our magical squishy powder.
Let's add some red glitter.
Great idea, Phoebe. All right, put some red glitter in. Whoa, so pretty. Hey, could we add some orange glitter as well? I just really want it to look like fire. Of course we can, Ember. All right, add some pretty orange glitter. Whoa, this is gonna look so cool. All right, what next?
Oh, we could add some sparkly confetti.
Oh yeah, good idea, Fizzy. Whoops, all right, let's add that to our squishy.
Now let's add some real fire. Maybe not, Phoebe. Squishies are flammable. Flammable-lickety?
No, flammable, Phoebe. It means it easily sets on fire.
Oh, like you, Ember.
Exactly, Phoebe, but not like me. Wait, why don't we add this super cool, hot sun sticker? That's a great idea, Wade. All right, in it goes. Perfect. I think it's all ready. Miss Hands? All right, Ember. Time to fill it up with water, tie it off, and see what it looks like. Here we go. Ta-da! 1 fiery Ember squishy complete. Look how pretty it is with the red and orange glitter. And whoa, look, there's our sun sticker. So squishy.
Awesome sauce! This storm is so scary! Don't worry, Phoebe. It'll pass soon.
Aw, that squishy is so cool. I wish I could have one. You can, Wade. We could do a water-themed squishy. All right, so first things first. We gotta put the magical squishy powder in. That's right, Wade. Now, what color glitter would you like? I think I like silver and blue, like me. Great choice. So we've got some blue glitter. Let's pop that in there. Ooh, so pretty. And some silver glitter. That's gonna look awesome in your squishy. All right, what next?
Oh, what about some blue magical confetti?
Oh yeah, this confetti is gonna look so pretty. And it's gonna look like you're underwater. Perfect. Hey Wade, why don't you put a super cute sticker in just like mine? Oh yeah, that's a great idea, but what could I put in? Well, what about a fish? That's underwater. Aw, that fish is so cute. Miss Hands, can you put that in my squishy, please? Of course I can, Wade. All right, in we go. Now for some white confetti.
Oh, we could put 2 googly eyes in to make it look like Wade.
Aw, that's a great idea. Thanks, Fizzy. 2 googly eyes going in. 1, 2. Perfect. I think it's ready. All right, now it's time to fill it up with water, tie it off, and see what it looks like. Ta-da! One beautiful Wade squishy. Look at all the blue and silver glitter. And let's see, can we find the fish? Whoa, there it is. And whoa, look at the googly eyes.
Hey, Wade! It looks just like you! It's Boo!
You're right, Phoebe.
Woohoo! We did it! Squishies are so cool!
Hey, everyone, look outside. It's sunny again. But I thought you didn't like storms, Phoebe.
I don't! But if it's sunny outside, that means you've gotta go!
Hey, don't worry, Phoebe. We'll be back real soon, I promise.
Alright, Ember.
Thanks so much for helping us, Fizzy and Phoebe. We've had the best time. Yeah, it was awesome, but we gotta go. Yeah, we'll catch you later.
Wade! Don't forget your squishies!
Oops. Oh yeah, don't want to forget that. Oh no!
Uh-oh! Looks like you're gonna have to make another one!
I think you're right, Phoebe.
Alright, Phoebe, we better get going. This has been the best day ever! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Fizzy, I'll race you.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.